Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. Today we'll show you how to replace the 12-volt battery in this all-electric 2022 Ford F150 Lightning. The battery's tucked away in the back of the frunk. It's pretty easy to get to, but it's always a good idea to check with your manufacturer step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. The first step is to remove the access panel for the 12-volt battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to remove the current sensor's electrical connector. Now we can loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench, and then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Then, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. And then remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal and replace the cap, and then set it off to the side, making sure not to touch any metal on the vehicle. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need an 8mm wrench for this. A socket and extension can make it easier. And remove the battery hold-down bracket and its fastener. Now we can remove the old battery, and install the replacement battery. The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket. And tighten its fastener. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten its fastener. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And tighten its fastener. And reconnect the connector for the current sensor. And finally, replace the service cover for the 12-volt battery. And we're done.